We are back with GameStop. Currently going for $21.73. Major news coming out of GameStop is their convertible senior notes. They're issuing $1.3 billion of convertible debt in order to purchase Bitcoin. Now, the sale of the notes will close April 1st, so happening this week, and they mature April 1st, 2030. All right, so what is GameStop's plan? All right, so I was going through Reddit and I ran into this post from Black Mike 88. Looks like he works in debt structurings. Basically, he says they're pushing down the price of GameStop on purpose. Why? Well, because the people offering the convertible debt have an incentive to make the conversion price as low as possible so that they have a much better chance of gaining as much as possible once they own the bonds. And once that happens, they will likely want the price to be as high as possible. So they're likely shorting too right now in addition to the normal shorting activity. Wait for the bonds to be announced to be closed, and the bonds are expected to close on April 1st, 2025. It's going to be this Tuesday. So it should be a pretty exciting week for GameStop. What do you guys think is going to happen once they start purchasing a bunch of Bitcoin? So pretty much they're going to start doing what Michael Saylor does with MicroStrategy, pull out as much convertible debt as they can and keep purchasing Bitcoin. So we're going to compare GameStop and MicroStrategy's balance sheets real quick. Check out the cash they hold. MicroStrategy only holds $38 million in cash, and you compare that to GameStop, which holds $4.7 billion in cash. So GameStop might be able to offer way more convertible debt than MicroStrategy, be able to acquire way more Bitcoin. When you take a look at the cash flow real quick, so cash flow from operations from MicroStrategy doesn't look like they're consistently even making positive cash flow. But when you compare to GameStop, GameStop for the past 3 quarters has had positive free cash flow, and they posted $162.3 million in February of 2025. So huge improvements in GameStop's fundamentals. GameStop's numbers look way more healthier than MicroStrategy's, but MicroStrategy is still able to pull out so much convertible debt. April 1st, I think we're about to see some crazy stuff. What are they going to pull with this convertible debt, and how much Bitcoin are they going to buy? When we take a look at the earnings call, this is from Q2 of 2020. This was when MicroStrategy decided to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet all the way back in 2020. So we will seek to invest up to another $250 million over the next 12 months in one or more alternative investment assets, which may include stocks, bonds, commodities, etc., Bitcoin. All right, so they announced their first convertible debt offering. This was the first purchase of Bitcoin for MicroStrategy, and as you could see, take a look at that stock appreciation. It's gone up over 2,000%, and pretty much the company's fundamentals haven't improved. They just keep buying more Bitcoin. What's going to happen to GameStop? I feel like if GameStop starts putting the reserve assets into Bitcoin, we'll see some crazy stuff happen with its stock price. But as of right now, yes, the stock price has been getting pushed down, as we were saying. I guess we're all about to see what happens this week, next week. If things are going to go crazy, what do you guys think is going to happen? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching this short video. We'll see you on the next one.